Take a ride in the 2009 CX-7. The CX-7 combines sporty good looks, car-like handling, and SUV utility, plus a powerful fuel-efficient engine. Never settle when you can have it all, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel ABS, front floor mats, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.